I want to tell you a story that truly changed me as a person. When I worked at City Index, no one cared about Northern Rock. It had a base around 600 for a long time. And then in late 2005, it was as if it went on fire. From 700 to 1300, that's 80-90%. But do you think that any of the City Index clients were on board this? No, they weren't. But it gets interesting because Northern Rock peaked, did a double top, and then fell back. And then the curious things happened. No one had been interested in Northern Rock, but now they became interested in it. All of a sudden, people began to buy Northern Rock. Now, a broker doesn't ask a client, why do you buy Northern Rock? But they did. Now, my thinking is that they thought that Northern Rock had become cheap. I call it the supermarket mentality. And the supermarket mentality is a mentality that you see in investors, traders, scalpers, and anything in between. It is universal. We all suffer from it. And I'm okay with it when I'm down in the supermarket. Quite all right. By all means, buy 2 chickens for the price of 1 chicken. Or load up on butter ahead of Christmas. Please, when it's on offer. Sadly, the financial market is a very different proposition. And what really affected me was a phone call that I received after that long thing there. It was Saturday morning and someone called me and said, hey, you gave a talk up here, up north, and I just wondered if I could have your opinion. My brother and I want to invest in Northern Rock because we think that it's a fantastic stock and it's probably a rare opportunity that is so cheap. What do you think about that? And I said, well, I'm not so sure it's a good idea, and there's 2 reasons for that. One, supermarket aside, that mentality doesn't work in the financial market. And secondly, let's say you do buy it here, and it miraculously does turn around. You now forged a pathway in your mind that says, hey, next time a really good stock comes along and it's fallen 66% from its peak, now might be a good time to buy as well. And you might get away with the first time, you might get away with it the second time, but overall, you are playing Russian roulette, and sooner or later, you are going to get your head handed on a silver platter. Thank you very much.